Okay, today I want to show you how to make a real simple plum compote, or plum just stewed up fruit. You can use this with any fruit. I have plums today. You get them so reasonable at the front of the supermarket. You can pick them up, they're really handy. So this is a punnet of plums that I have chopped up. I've removed the stones, so it's all ready to go. You could also use frozen fruit. You could use mixed berries. You could use apples. You could use pears, anything like that. So fruit would be really good, lots of fibre, good for the digestive system, very good. We're supposed to have 5 portions of fruit and veg a day, so this is one way of getting it in your morning breakfast or at any time during the day for a snack or whatever. So how I would have this is I would put this on my porridge with some chia seeds in the morning time and maybe a little bit of honey. Just that would be my way of having it. You could also put it over granola. You could also mix it with natural yoghurt. So a natural yoghurt with a little bit of vanilla, or you'll probably just have enough of a taste of this. So what I'm going to do here is I have chopped up the plums and I'm actually going to add in about 250 ml of water approximately into the saucepan here. So we're ready. I'll just turn that on now. So turn that on a lowish heat. And then I'm going to add in my plums. I chopped up plums, put them all in here. Just you can do this so easy in the morning time, evening time, whenever you want. It just really takes a couple of minutes. So the plums are in, we have them all in here, and I'm going to add some ginger. This is fresh ginger, and you could use dry ginger, but this is fresh ginger that I've chopped up very finely. So I'm going to put in the ginger. Ginger is great for circulation, good for digestion, really good. Any nausea feelings, it's really good medicinal herb. That's the ginger. Now you can put in some cinnamon. Cinnamon, very good for blood sugar balancing. Very good to keep your body fuel balanced. So it's really good. Anyone looking to lose weight or get healthy, you want to put a little bit of cinnamon. Now if you don't like cinnamon, leave it out. So I'm going to put in about a teaspoon of cinnamon. I just have a different one there. It's a lovely organic one, but any of these, you'll pick them up in the shops, is perfect. So we have everything here mixed together, and I'm going to just let that simmer away. Maybe turn it up to heat it up first of all, and let that simmer away. And when it's cooked, it takes about 5-10 minutes, about 8 minutes I'd say. I will mash it down then with my potato masher, and we'll have lovely pureed fruit. So we leave that simmer away for a couple of minutes. Now I have all the plum all mashed up and ready to go, and I'm just going to have a little taste there to make sure it's okay. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I have put it in the kilner jar. I'm going to store it in the fridge so I can have it in the morning over my porridge or with my yogurt or whatever it is, natural yogurt. Absolutely beautiful. Just very quickly again, a punnet of plums, 250 ml of water, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, about another teaspoon of fresh ginger. Mix it all together 8 to 10 minutes until the fruit is soft, and mash it up. And here it is, ready to go. I hope you enjoy it.